Well, heippa hey again, YouTube community, Frost Angeles here, and now this day I decided that I'm gonna upload a video about my history in the clan things, and I'm gonna be starting off to tell you where I was before and everything those things, and there's going to be a little surprise in the end, so stay tuned here. So, okay. The first clan where I was ever been was a Syro clan. And this is gonna be a little bit strange because actually my little brother was in that clan before than me. And he said to me that later that do you wanna join in this clan because you have a chance to come here and play in this team. So I was thinking about a little bit time, and then I decided that maybe I'm going to meet the leader now. And my little brother invited him in the party, and I talked to him, and we played together like 3 days and everything. He was actually a nice guy. And later he asked me that, are you still interested to come clan? And I say yes, and he say okay. You are welcome here now. And then I was in there like not really a long time actually. I was there like only maybe 2 or 3 months. I don't remember so correctly, but there has happened this like so bad thing because the leader actually changed in the clan, and I was not really really like doing about that that opinion that the leader changed, and actually the new leader was or was my opinion, I'm gonna say straight away, such an asshole. He doesn't even listen to what everybody has to say. He doesn't listen to nobody's opinions, and he say like every time that you have to be in the Black Ops 2 and in the custom game, and everybody have to meet that exactly that same day and same time. And if you are not in there, you are going to be kicked. So I was thinking about with my brother, and we decided that why we have to be in the clan anymore, because there is nothing working on here anymore. So we decided together that we are going to leave out in this clan. And the next clan where I was been was Finnish clan called Lions, and we actually played there a lot of time with my closest friends, and it was really great time. And later one of my friends actually left the clan, and he's joined his friend clan called Former Kittens. And later I asked him that, can I join in this clan? And he just said that to me, that you have to ask the leader and talk to him. So he come to our party, and we speak to each other, and I asked him and everything, and he say like only 10 minutes later that welcome, you can come to clan if you want. And I was like yes, and we play a lot of League play, and also those clan vs clans and clan wars. That was a kind of big thing in Ghost, what kind of division you can get with the team. And later when I decided to play with the sniper again, I was like not playing with the sniper like maybe in 5 months straight. I was only playing with the SMGs and ARs and tryharding so much. Yeah, sorry about that. My actually stepfather come to in my room, and I was just messing around here what I'm going to say now, but yeah. Then I decided to play with the sniper again, like that really a long time when I was playing only SMG and AR. And then I decided that I'm going to play free-for-all a little bit and tested out my sniper skills again. Is it gone? Is it still there? And then I met this guy named GT, was back in that time EA Rexy, and he actually said to me that you are not really actually bad player using a sniper. And I always said thank you, because normally I get messages about that raging about me. And then he asked me later that he's going to make a new clan, so are you interested to join? And I said, okay, why not? And he gave me the challenge in that time what I have to complete to get the clan. And later he said that to me, that you are actually not bad player at all and you are welcome to the clan. He not actually straight away say that, but that's what he meant in that time. And yeah, and I'm going to be so lucky to be in this clan, and I try to stay here a long time. And yeah, there's a little bit surprise come now, so see you later in the next clip.
Hey! Sorry, that was a little bit embarrassing, but hopefully you liked my montage, and this is actually my first facecam what I ever put into YouTube as well in this video. And if you like it, you can press that thumbs up button and leave a comment if you want. I read every comment right now, and I want to hear also your opinions about it and how can I improve that in the later videos. And if you liked that much, that you can also subscribe my channel if you want. And I may be trying now put every video if I'm playing some kind of gameplay, and I'm gonna try to put my face cam in there also. So I'm Frost Angeles, and we see you guys later. Hey, bye.